Thanks for joining me, folks. Let's go ahead and talk about how you are spending your time. All right, friends, so let's talk about putting pennies in a jar, or rather, how not to waste your time that you are given. We all have the exact same numbers of hours, the exact same number of minutes in a 24-hour period. So, I would propose that you use that time wisely. Now, when I talk about pennies, you can put pennies in a jar or you can take them out. Doing something that makes you better is like putting pennies in a jar. When you read something, when you expand your mind, maybe do some exercising, that's putting pennies in that jar. When you waste your time, when you're just scrolling through a feed, not really gaining any knowledge, not really gaining any insights to anything, you're taking pennies out. You're emptying the pennies out of that proverbial jar of knowledge. So I would propose you take some time, think about what you want to learn, or maybe think about something you could do in the future that would spark some interest in something else. So whether you want to learn a new dance, whether you want to learn how to sing, or play music, or whatever. It doesn't matter what it is. Think about what you want to learn and then spend some time doing that thing. Or at least researching where you can put pennies in the jar and not be taking them out. You don't want to spend your life and then look back and realize, wow, all that time I spent scrolling through social media, I could have been reading a book or researching a topic or looking on the YouTubes for all sorts of knowledge, because the thing is so full of good, useful knowledge. Okay? So I would suggest in the times you have off, in the breaks you have, whether it be a weekend or a holiday or whatever, before it starts, think about something you could do to better yourself, something you could do to learn something new. So that's my advice for you, folks. Make sure you do the hard work of thinking through things and not just find yourself scrolling through and wasting time. Do the hard work. This hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching. Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm just jamming out here with Purple Horse and Dainty Rhinoceros. Thanks for the view.